Hey there, I'm Mike at Payam Data Recovery's lab in Sydney, Australia. Today I'm watching one of their data recovery engineers work on a Crucial 2.5-inch SATA SSD belonging to Marcus, an architect from the Gold Coast, who accidentally formatted his drive and wiped years of project drawings and client work in a single moment. The drive uses a silicon motion controller. The engineer explained why the quick shutdown mattered. When you format an SSD, a command called trim tells the drive which data blocks are no longer needed. The SSD then permanently erases those blocks in the background to maintain performance. Once trim finishes, the data is gone forever. But because Marcus stopped immediately, the drive never finished the trim process, and his files were still physically present on the NAND memory chips. The engineer connected the SSD to the PC3000, read the memory channels, uploaded the loader, and rebuilt the translator. This is the step that separates a specialist from generic software, which would simply show a wall of zeros and call the drive empty. With the translator rebuilt, the files appeared, and he recovered more than 90% of Marcus's data. The team copied everything to a new drive, sent Marcus a file listing and video preview, and once he approved and paid, shipped it back via express post. So if you have accidentally formatted an SSD, stop using it immediately and get it to a specialist. Even though the chances of success may be low depending on how long the drive ran after formatting, it's worth a try if the data is important to you. The team at Payam Data Recovery in Australia can help.